In this video, I will be showing you how you can make your star rainbow craft kit. Start by organising your wooden stars into the same colour groups. Begin with your largest rainbow arc and start by placing each of the darkest wooden stars onto the wood. The stars will fit roughly point to point. Continue to place all the stars onto the wooden arc, making sure to avoid the threading holes. Once you've finished laying out all of your wooden stars, you can then take your PVA glue and apply a small dot on the reverse side of the star. Then press your star into the correct position on the rainbow arc. The PVA glue is fast drying, but you will have a small amount of time to rearrange the star if you're not happy with its position. Continue applying a small dot of PVA glue to the reverse side of each star and placing the correct position on your wooden arc. When gluing down the stars, make sure you leave the threading holes free. For the second rainbow arc down, you will need the light blue stars. Remember to lay out all of your stars before gluing them down, just to make sure that you're happy with their positioning. Don't worry if you apply a little too much glue onto the reverse side of the star, as it dries clear. For the third arc down, you will need the lime green stars. For the second to last arc, you will need the mint coloured stars. And for your final arc, you will need the teal coloured stars. In this kit, there are enough stars for you to decorate both sides of all the rainbow arches. When you have finished decorating both sides of all the rainbow arches, make sure to leave it to dry for about 30 minutes. To thread the rainbow arches, you will need your natural jute string. At one end of your jute string, tie a knot. Then tear a small piece of masking tape or sellotape and wrap it around the other end of your jute string. This will make it easier when you're threading the string through your rainbow arches. Trim away any excess tape. When you're ready, start with the smallest rainbow arc first and thread the string from back to front. Make sure to pull the string all the way through the rainbow arc so the knot is right at the back of the wood. Next, take your mint coloured arc and thread the string from back to front through the bottom hole and then front to back through the top hole. Pull the string all the way through the holes, leaving a small space between the two pieces. Repeat the same steps for the remaining 3 rainbow arches, working from back to front, then front to back. When you finish threading all the rainbow arches, tie a hanging knot at the top of the string and cut away any excess. Once you've finished threading, your rainbow is finished.